Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer structured video courses that take absolute beginners all the way to fluency, covering HSK levels 1 to 6. Sign up today at ChineseZeroToHero.com. Today, we'll continue to look at another common mistake in Chinese, that is not using the 是的 construction when asking questions. Last video, we talked about not using 是的 construction. This time, we're specifically talking about not using it in asking questions. Okay, let's get started. First of all, think about this English dialogue. A says, "What did you do this morning?" B said, "I came to the office." Now, how do you say, "What did you do this morning?" Yeah, that's right. We learned in Grammar 1.14.1 that we can use a simple le to indicate complete action. So, what did you do this morning would be 你早上做什么了? It's a simple le construction. To learn how to use the le construction to indicate completeness, you can take our Chinese Zero to Hero HSK1 course and look under Lesson 14, Grammar Point 1.14.1. There's a video that explains in detail how to use le to indicate completeness. All right, so how would B answer? B says, "I came into the office." How would you say that? 我来办公室了。很好，我来办公室了。办公室 meaning office. So again, this is a simple le construction indicating a complete action because I came, right? I finished the action of coming, right? What did you do this morning? Did is a completed action, so we say 做什么了. And came is a completed action, so we say 来办公室了. 你早上做什么了？我来办公室了. Very simple. But what if A asks, "Did you come at 9?" Did you come at 9? How would you say that? Did you say 你9点来了吗? Actually, this will be wrong. Why? It's because we're asking about time. We're not asking about what you did, right? We're asking, did you come at 9? That is, we're asking about the time that you came. So how should we say this question? How should we ask this question? Yeah, instead of using the le construction, we need to make use of the 是的 construction, like we talked about in the last video. To learn more about the 是的 construction, you can review Grammar 1.15.1. Again, this is available as part of our Chinese Zero to Hero HSK1 course. So the correct question would be 你是9点来的吗? 你是9点来的吗? Did you come at 9? We can also omit the 是. 你9点来的吗? is also fine. 你9点来的吗? Yeah, so 是 is optional. 你9点来的吗? It's the same as 你是9点来的吗? Now let's try another question. At what time did you get here? Right, so you're asking exactly at what time you got here. Like, did you get here at 9? No, I didn't get here at 9. Then at what time did you get here? Again, if you say 你什么时候来了? That would be wrong because you're not asking about what he did, but when he did it. So we need to say 你是什么时候来的? 你是什么时候来的? And what time did you get here? 你是什么时候来的? 你是什么时候来的? Again, 是 is optional. So you can say 你什么时候来的? 你什么时候来的? Now let's try another question. How did you get here? Again, we're not asking what you did, but how you did it. So you shouldn't say 你怎么来了? In fact, 你怎么来了 would mean how come you came? How come you came here? Like, you're not invited. How come you came, right? We didn't expect you to come. Then how come you came? So 怎么 here would mean why or how come, right? So this is not what we intended. We wanted to ask how or by what means did you get here, right? Did you drive here? Did you walk here, right? How did you get here, right? So we shouldn't ask 你怎么来了 because 你怎么来了 would mean how come you came here. So instead, we should say 你是怎么来的？你是怎么来的？ Because you're asking how they got here, right? You're not asking what they did, but how they did it. So we need to say 你是怎么来的? And again, 是 is optional. So you can simply say 你怎么来的? This is very important because I hear this a lot. I hear a lot of people asking me 你怎么来了? When they want to know how I got here, but instead they ask me, how come you're here? How come you came here? So it's like, hey, you're not invited. How come you came? But that's not the intended question, right? They just want to find out how I got there. By asking the wrong question, it can create a lot of misunderstanding. Okay, cool. So that's our common mistake number 2, not using 是的 when asking questions. In future videos, we'll look at other common mistakes. So please subscribe so you'll be notified when these become available. If you want a solid foundation in Chinese, you should consider following the HSK curriculum, that is the official Chinese proficiency test curriculum, which is divided into 6 levels from 1 to 6. The 是的 construction that we learned today is a language point covered in HSK Level 1. If you learn HSK Level 1 well, you can pave the way for future improvements. So that is why you should take our HSK Level 1 video course. Even if you have absolutely no knowledge of Chinese, after taking this course, you will be able to pass the official HSK Level 1 test. The video course contains 15 lesson units. Each of the 15 units containing up to 5 videos, plus flashcards, PDF downloads, and practice activities. This course is divided into 2 parts. Course A containing lessons 1 to 8, priced at $15 and Course B containing lessons 9 to 15, also priced at $15. This is much more affordable than many learning products out there because once you buy this course, you own it forever. You can download the videos, you can view them directly on our learning website. There is no recurring fee, no subscription required. If you buy both parts of the courses as a bundle, you just pay $25. If you're in China, you can also pay the equivalent in renminbi by WeChat Pay or Alipay. This video course makes use of the textbook HSK1 Standard Course by Jiang Liping and the accompanying workbook. If you want to take this course, you are required to buy them separately from a bookstore of your choice, such as Amazon or Taobao. To learn more, you can click on this button to view all of our courses from HSK1 all the way to HSK6. All courses have the first unit available for free as a preview, so click the button and check them out. See you in the next video.